As it gets slower, it just gets tighter and tighter.
We call that ballin', doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling. My phone off and she calling. I'm like, yeah, what it do? Penthouse, man, what a view. Fall back cause I'm coming through with my whole team. They coming too, that's real, too real. Motherfucker, tell me how you feel.
Yo guys, welcome back. I know I haven't been very active lately. I've been really busy with work and stuff like that in my daily life. I'm not going to get into it, but I'm here with another video. So I'm here at this, this glorious open lot right here out in Mexico, and I was starting to get down some sit-down circles and sit-down circles, and I was just doing it. Drifts. I was out here working on my sit-down circles and my drifts, and I was actually starting to get it and get some progress. And it's been a long time since I've really felt like I made any progress on this bike. It still scares me a little bit. I don't want to dip into circles standing up, and I don't really feel too comfortable stepping around it yet or jumping to the tank. Also, it's leaking gas right here. I mean, I've done it a few times, but I still don't feel comfortable doing that. But I felt really comfortable today starting to get these sit-down fag drags really slow on the bike, and I haven't done that before, and I was working into a circle and I got one or two, and I wanted to make a video about that with my progress today. And also I figured I would go over my list of my setup on my bike here. This 2003 R6 started out as just a normal stock R6 a few years ago, and here we are. I guess I'll start front to back, and then I'll get some more practice in and let you guys see that, and hopefully I don't die. It is a little different now. It used to be all red. I got that black fairing on the front and back that I broke because a wonderful friend of mine gave me a bunch of fairings for free. So I got new pieces on there, but whatever about that. Oh, let's see. Nothing up front is different. There's HIDs. That's not stunt related. A friend of mine drilled this out here. So we have the Contour Carmichael dirt bars here, but that's just drilled in the stock tree. RC clutch lever, of course. 195 Magura. I think it's a 13 millimeter. I don't remember. Stock front brake. Stay is stock. That hasn't been upgraded. Tank, I dented myself. I have a previous video on that. Impact cage in the front and back, of course. We got a 1556 gearing on here. Zeus step plate. The hole in the seat, of course. You gotta have that. Put your foot there. You gotta fist her like that. A caliper off a 2003 Gixxer, I think. A front caliper off a 2003, I think. My friend Eric gave it to me so I could use it, get started. 80-inch line, Kaufman exhaust. This had been replaced because the previous guy had cut it, the springs. I never knew, and it kept getting worse and worse until I found out. I didn't know much at the time. Upgraded rear rotor. I think it was like an EBC and an NTC brake, and I have the option for the third one here. But yeah, the rear rotor's been replaced, not the fronts. But I think that is it. Just a real quick overview of the setup on my bike here currently. And I don't know, it'll be an interesting video to look back on when I get better over the years, hopefully, if I'm still doing this. My bike was really hot too, so I've been sitting here for a good minute letting it cool down before I got back at it again, because I don't have the dual fan upgrade. I just have the single one still. Oh man, when I'm not wearing earplugs right now, how loud my fucking exhaust is, and the baffle's in it too. I could not stand it without the baffle. I'm running about 4K now on the RPMs. I don't really know what's best. I'm still figuring this all out, but right now that seems to be working really good for me. I'll show you what I've been working on today. So yeah, getting it up pretty slow, pretty easy, pretty controlled, sliding back down to my foot plate and just kind of resting on there. I can even get a handoff for a second, but just getting it up, and I'm dragging my left foot because that's really how I feel most balanced. Too much brake, let's throw it back. I really like doing it like this because I have full control over the clutch, so I don't yeet myself over the side of the bike like I've done before, because I couldn't pull the clutch when I was pulling in the handbrake and the throttle right here. Maybe I'll make like a continuous sort of like stunt learning curve vlog thing. Like, I was killing it out here on my Grom the other day, like about a week ago, out in the same lot, doing scrapes on that thing, back to back to back to back. I was really feeling it. But no, there's things I can learn on the Grom. I'm past like that initial learning phase with it, so I don't really feel like recording that so much. I mean, there's lots of stuff I can still learn on it, like advanced techniques, but I just feel like I really want to record. I guess I really want to record my progress on this guy right here. Let's do like a foot in the knee staggered, whatever the fuck this is called, knee knocker. Yeah, that's it. Like, I can just about catch balance point there, but I don't know, something about doing it this way. Maybe I'm slamming on the brake and I just don't know it. Woohoo! I'm not even tapping the fucking brake, it's just engine braking. So I gotta really just like let it go back like that. Like, I'm not really tapping the brake when I do that. Maybe it's my body weight, even though I'm kind of a small guy, like pushing forward. Okay, can I yeet into a circle if I get it really slow here? Oh, the force seals. Oh yeah, look at this. Yeah, I fucked that. It was already like coming off, and from doing all these drags, it just ripped that shoe off. I have to have this thing so damn tall to like be circling it like this. Okay, I was sort of pushing off my left foot there. That wasn't all the bike. I was kind of pushing off my foot a little bit. Okay, I got a little bit of a circle in there. Right. Juggle them titties. Let's do a stand-up, maybe. I'm not going to jump that take because there's gas on it. Plus, I can't really do that very well. Foot double pegger. Then seat stander. Foot on the right peg. And that's about it. That's like the extent of my stepping around. Maybe like I've kind of got foot drags here and there, but I still don't feel super comfortable. Come up in a double peg. I can throw it back pretty easily like this in the double peg, but you know, that looks gay. That was shitty. I have no idea if this is entertaining or not. Okay. No, don't stall. Don't stall. Ah! Woo! I'm trying to figure out. I'm going so slow. I just feel like I'm barely above idle, and like I'm just letting the bike pull me, which I guess is how you do it, but it's not fast enough into the turn. So I guess that's what I need to figure out here, is how to lean into it without high siding. Oh shit. Have you ever tried to learn something, and you do it over and over, you know how this feels. Okay. Let's see. Slide to the left. Don't slide to the right. Oh, I got the foot off. Hey, I got the foot off the ground. That was not intentional. Okay, let me try that again. This is to be a video of me like repeating this fucking action over and over and over. Okay, let's make this my goal right now for this video. I want to try and get a circle, a sit down circle without my foot on the ground, I guess. I may or may not accomplish that. I don't really feel too comfortable with stand-ups. There was one time way back where I was trying to do it and I fell to the side, whiskey throttled it, and fucking slammed on the ground. That shit hurt. And ever since then, I've been kind of timid about it. It's just, I can't get over it. Call me a pussy or whatever, but like, it's like scared me since then, and I'm just trying to work myself back to being comfortable with this machine, because it is a lot of power right here in first gear to be working with. And like, long-time stunters, they'll disagree, but for somebody new, that's how it feels to me. It's similar to the Grom, but it's just so much more size to it. Like, even to do it slowly, like in a slow big circle, I either dip in all the way or I don't. The momentum wants to pull me out this way, and that's what I'm trying to overcome. The same thing in my Grom, like, it wants to pull me out towards the other side. Oh, look, I made that. Yeah, that was me. Send it low. Give gas. Oh, okay, kind of. I need pucks. That's the best case scenario when I fuck up. Ah, just stay on it. Okay. My voice gets high pitched and I hate it, but I'm getting excited and scared at the same time. I might be tapping the brake, not intentionally, because it's just such a habit whenever I start sliding. Oof, that did a split. Okay. This shit is scary, trying to figure it out. Ooh, that'll make your butthole tickle. Yeah, every time I get it, just a little more and a little more. It makes me happy. Man, it's fucking burning my leg right here. It's so hot. Like my knee right there. It's so hot against the tank. I can tell you, I'm gripping these handlebars like a motherfucker. It's making my hands tired. Come on! Keep on it. More throttle. Too much throttle. Let's go back to sit downs. Yeah, here, let's do. Let's cool off the bike a little bit. Let's do some straight line wheelies. That's probably not cooling it off at the same time. Controlled stand-ups. Let's do a controlled stand-up. Controlled stand-up wheelie. Woo! You can see how I'm a little wobbly there. Going that way, I always want to go in that direction. Bad. No. Bad bike. Don't go that way. I'm gonna get hurt. You're gonna die. And I'm gonna have to fix you. You dirty slut bitch. Fuck. I'm trying to be monetized. I shouldn't say those things. Oh, she's hot. This I like. This feels good. I like this nice, slow, controlled wheelie. That's gotta hurt the forks. Is it any worse? God damn it. Yep, it's getting there. Fuck. Need some new shoes now, and I don't really have a whole lot of money this week. And there's all the gas sitting in my tank. That gas, I might need that to do another wheelie. Come on, bae. I could never do these fag drags till today for some reason. Like, I am not touching the throttle at all. I don't want to take my hand off, though. I am not taking my hand off it. I'm not that comfortable. I gotta find this right speed. Woohoo! Oh, that makes me so happy that I can do a circle now in like a enclosed space. I feel comfortable enough. I can do this anywhere. Like, look at that. Pop up and circle. Just like that. Look at that. Oh, yes. Bro, yes. I mean, not quite, but you get what I mean. Does this look any worse to you? That looks kind of gross. You know, it's like a piece of skin just blah, 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 blah. We want a circle, yes we do. Yeah, we do. Squad, help me! Ah! Yeet! Yeet! Too much yeet! Yeet! Yeet to the left! Too much yeet! Yeet! Yeet to the left! Did that count? I don't know, did that count? It didn't feel like it counted. I hear my tires skirt whenever I do that. It's like, skirt, motherfucker. Skirt, motherfucker, skeet. I can smell the gas coming off of this. You see that? I'm sure you can see that in the camera. I'm happy because I'm doing it consistently. It might not be great every time, but at least I'm doing it consistently. When I was trying to do stand-up circles before, it'd be once in a blue moon I might have got one. Whoops, that was a spin. And it was just lucky if I like seemed to hit it just right. Where I know what I'm doing this time when I'm doing it. And because I can fully control the clutch and the throttle with both hands, I don't have to worry about anything else. I feel a lot safer doing it than otherwise. Was that zip tie off of this bike? Because there's a couple zip ties holding this thing together. There's a zip tie on the ground over there. I'm sure you're so tired of whoever's watching this, of this perspective from the right side. Hey, let's change it up. Let's do some drifts. Let's figure out these drifts some more. Ah, damn it. Too much send again. Man, I'm grinding that off. I really need some pegs. That is the point of no return. Don't do that. And I'm pressing the brake, and I'm like pressing it again as I'm in the circle because my like foot tenses up. Don't press the brake. Woohoo! That was a good one. That was a good one. I like that one. That felt good. Haha! Almost did a 180. But I'm burning my leg. It's so hot right here. Almost did a 180. Yeah! Oh yes! That felt good. I'm getting it. My leg is so hot. It feels so good. I'm finally getting something new. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I was doing it. I was doing it. Okay. Oh, shit. 30? What does that mean? Uh-oh. Okay, it still starts. Send it! Damn it, again. Come on. Oh, every time it dies. I'm feeling good about it. Oh, damn it. No, don't die, don't die, don't die. Oh. I'm just like, I must be getting too cocky or something. Okay, I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna go back into sit downs. I think I'm gonna practice a little more, and I'm gonna call it a day, guys. You see how it gets like farther and farther in? You see this floppiness? It's getting worse. I'm definitely gonna have to buy some new shoes tomorrow. Okay, there we go. That was okay. Let's call it right there before I hurt myself and I ripped the full sole off my shoe. My gas tank is full of gas. There's a lot of things going on here. Thank you guys for watching this learning the stunt sort of video today. It was very fun to make. I can't wait to edit this and get this posted. I'm gonna try and post more often, sort of like weekly is my idea, hopefully. I'm going to be trying to post more often to you guys. I'm so thankful we have almost hit 10,000. I feel so bad. I get all these great comments about people wanting me to upload more, and they like my content, and they like what I'm doing. So I'm really going to try to use that as inspiration. I want to continue this, and make more videos. It's fun. It's just, I hate the editing, but it's fun making videos. I feel so outgoing when I'm not normally that kind of person. In my environment, here all by myself, you know, this stuff here. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Ciao, see ya, bye girl.